Are you a purchasing and supply chain professional? Would you like the designatory letters MCIPS after your name? If the answer is yes, APO can help you achieve this without taking any examinations, attending college, or leaving your workplace. We have assisted hundreds of people just like you to become members of the Chartered Institute of Purchasing and Supply and gain recognition for their professional skills. How? By using our NVQ in Supply Chain Management programme, which you can start anytime and complete at your own pace. Our programme is based on your supply chain experience rather than academic knowledge. APO staff will be with you every step of the way. You will find them very helpful and supportive. Now's your chance to get the MCIPS status and create new career opportunities for yourself. Click the contact button now to request your free information pack.